Hey, welcome guys. We are looking at a, who can guess? I'll give you a hint. Dual T-handles. Ultra high security single hopper, which the hopper is sitting on the ground. My video today, and I've been meaning to make this for months, but I have not had the right machine in here to do it. So, what we're doing is we're actually retrofitting the entire machine to a new system, but it has a Coinco. Okay, Coinco is bad. So what we're going to do here, I've got it hanging in there just by one stud, one nut, because I want to show you how easy it is. Okay. So we get rid of the Coinco. Okay, Mag 50, I'd like to say they've stood the test of time. There are still some guys out there that are running them. Let me get this out of our way here so it's not hanging in the way. If I can see in there. Alright, what we need now is an adapter plate, because we are going to put in, I guess I should show you the differences here. Okay, the reason, see where the studs would line up? Top studs are lined up. The Coinco sits lower, the snout. We need to lower this so it'll fit into the machine. Okay, so therefore American Changer has made a nice bracket. Okay, where this goes now, see the studs here? Goes right on there, and then we're going to secure it with our 11/32 nuts. Pretty sure the thread is 832. Whoops, for the machinists in my circle of viewers here. I'm not the best lefty, but the side I'm standing on, I can't really do it right-handed or I'll block everything. So anyways, what we do here now, yeah, let's see, let's do it this way. Could have hooked up some power, but alright, we want to secure these. Don't tighten them so much you break the studs off. Okay, if you do that, we're in trouble. Okay, now I need to grab my specialty tool, which I'm going to show you here in a second. I think everybody has a set of old vice grips. Kind of a crude tool for working on electronics, but alright guys, so once you have these 4 nuts secure on the mounting studs, okay, what we're going to do now is, because, I'll show you why. We're going to go to put that up here, these studs hit, okay. Actually, the bottom ones hit on this application, so I'm going to leave the top ones. So what you do is you grab it down low. I always say about, maybe 2 threads from the base, about 3 times like that. You snap it off, okay? Because we are never going back to using a Coinco again. once you join the MEI train, there's no reason to go back. Alright, so let's do this. Let's hook it up as if we're going to ship this down the line. Okay, our plug-in. This normally has a little black cover over it. If you can see those little polarizing white pins, they only go in here one way, and I know that it goes this way, only because I've put several of these together. Okay, now we get our little cap here. This is how your validator is going to be shipped to you. It's going to have that cap on there, okay? Just a dust cover, kind of protects this from being ripped out by the roots. So okay, now I need to take off the next set of nuts. You leave the white spacers in place. This is much easier showing you guys than it is explaining it over the phone like I've done several thousand times. Let's take the box off so we're not blocking the entire picture. Okay. Okay, just like so. I'm going to put a couple in here to secure it so it doesn't fall out. One should be enough. Now, as you can see from the front, it fits just like the Coinco did. That's how much you have sticking out. This is a high security machine. Got the steel plate door, dual T-handles, a lot heavier duty cabinet, and your snout only sticks out that far, so people are not going to be able to, even if they bash this in with, say, a sledgehammer, they've only got about 3/4 or 7/8 of an inch to reach in there. There's no way they can reach in there and get to the bills. The old style with the 4-inch opening, they could bash the front in and easily reach in there and get a hold of the bill box and rifle through your money and take the bills out. So guys, that's as easy as it is to hook up an MEI in place of a Coinco in a lot of the American changers. There is another style mount, which is what we call a sliding mount, and if I get that style of cabinet in again, I will do another video. While I have you here, let me slide in the hopper. This will be actually our first machine we are sending out. Now you notice that green mounting plate, okay? There's nothing in there. There's no harness. Well, unless you've been under a rock and you haven't been watching my other videos, this is the new 2nd generation green stripe hopper. Voila, mounts like that. I'm not necessarily going to bolt it all up because I'm not quite done with this changer. This is the small plug it has. This works with your green display boards, your universal boards, your super universal boards on a single system like this. There's your board back there. Okay, this plug would go on the top left. Okay, this board will run 2 hoppers, but this cabinet won't run 2. It'll only run 1 validator. That's why it's called a universal board. And you move up in size, you'd go to a super universal board where you would have 2 validators and 2 hoppers. So anyways, guys, that's how the hopper works. There's no plug-in. They got rid of that clunky 12-wire plug in the back, and much better design. So our hat is off. We give 2 thumbs up to American Changer for that design, and we will put this machine together, put a hopper extension on it, and it'll be on its way to its next home very soon. So guys, AC1002, a scarce model, a sought-after model. I have not had one in my facility in over a year, and today at the filming of this I do actually have 2. So guys, appreciate you being here. Doug at Doug's World Tour, amusement and vending channel, out.